Welcome back, friends. In previous video I have created these categories and subcategories. Now I will stylize them and show them rightly, same like these categories. So for this purpose I go back to my code editor, and I will not stylize this category code in this style.css because it will create problem. I will make one more page because it is the specially categories underscore name. So I press Ctrl N and write some dummy text, and now Ctrl S. So I'm going to save it inside the styles because it is a CSS file, and I assign it the name same category underscore name underscore styles dot css. I have assigned it name category underscore name, the same page name, and this is a CSS file, therefore underscore style dot css inside the styles. Keep in mind inside the styles. So I save it, and now I shall include this page here in index, link this page inside this index. So I duplicate this one, and now I change its address, page address. It will be the category underscore name underscore style dot css. The remaining relation is the same, link her of styles backslash category underscore name underscore style dot css. Control S to save. So now I come here inside this new CSS file, newly created CSS file, and I write call this class .mp dash box dash .mp dash box dash white dot actually no top. I would like to show you these classes in category underscore name. So these are the classes which are being called here. Border top 0, margin top 54 pixel, .mp dash box dash white, same class. Background hash triple F, background color means minimum height 30 pixel, border top 1 pixel, space it is color dash 6 times D solid, border bottom 1 pixel hash 6 times D solid, .mp dash box, its background color is hash F7 F7 F7, margin 0 auto, I mean show it into the center, position relative, .mp dash box space dot box dash row. I show you this class. This is box dash row, which is inside this .mp dash box class. With 1308 pixel, margin 0 auto, position relative, box sizing, border dash box, dot main dash cat dash list dot active. Now I show you these two classes also. main category list and active. And this is main dash cat dash list space active. Opacity 1. Main dash cat dash list, the same class, position relative. Margin 6 pixel from top, minus 12 pixel from right, 0 from bottom, and minus 12 pixel from left. Opacity 1. Dot main dash cat dash list li. This li is inside this class. I show you when this is the li. I have pasted it 5 times more. All these li's will be stylized. List style none. Height 27 pixel. Line height 14 pixel. Color hash 30 30 30, 3 times 30. White space. No warp. And there is a mistake in no wrap spelling. Actually, this is the right spelling. Actually, the meaning of no wrap is it shows all the text in a single line, in the single white space line until you put a BR. The text does not go out of white space. Wherever the white color, text will remain inside. Position relative. Cursor default. Float left. Border 1 pixel transparent. Solid. Border dash radius 3 pixel from top, 3 pixel from right, 0 from bottom and 0 from left. Dot main dash cat dash list greater than li greater than anchor which is inside this li. All these anchor tags, you can see all these anchor tags which are inside this li. Now is going to be stylized. Display inline dash block. Padding 0 from top, space and 10 pixel from left. A 10 pixel, sorry, from right, not the left. Dot main dash cat dash list greater than li, and then dot menu dash content. Menu contents, this is the class. Control S to save. So now friend, I would like to show you this preview. I refresh this page. Now you can see that these categories have been stylized. Little one, not the completely, and this white space is also showing. So friend, I shall come back in next video to stylize them because this video has been completed